Welcome to another SIA Charts Focus video. Today we are going to talk about our SIA 5-stock Hypothetical Canadian stock model. The model can be found here in the Models tab and from here the SIA Models sub-tab. Let's scroll down and review the model. First, we will discuss the buy and sell rules for this model. We are simply taking the top 5 stocks in the TSX 60 index and making sure there is no more than one stock per sector. This report can be found here in the Reports tab and then the Canadian Stocks sub-tab. I have preloaded the report, and as you can see here, the names highlighted in purple are the Canadian 5-stock holdings. Each holding is in the green zone or the yellow zone with a green SMAX score. Once a name falls into the yellow zone with a red SMAX, a sell signal triggers and we will delete that name and replace it with something higher up in the green zone of the report with a green SMAX score. The equity action call overlay is incorporated in this model. If we go in the unfavored zone of the equity action call, all names will be deleted from the model and we will go to cash. As we go back to the model, let's scroll down and review the performance returns. This model was launched live in January of 2014, and as you can see, the calendar year numbers, we have consistent performance throughout with only a few negative years. Case in point, in 2022, we had a negative year of 3.06%. However, the TSX Composite Index was down 8.66%. In one of our back-tested years, 2011, we were down 5.69. However, the TSX Composite was down 11% at that time. As we scroll to the trailing performance metrics, you can see we have outperformed in many of the important time frames. Compounded annual growth rate since 2007, 13.39% versus the TSX Composite at 3.55. Year to date, we have done 33.95% versus the TSX Composite at 16.36, almost double the return of the benchmark. Over 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, you can see we have steadily outperformed the benchmarks accordingly. As we review the risk-reward analysis, you could see some of the risk metrics of this model. We have a very good Sharpe ratio of 0.86 versus the TSX Comp at 0.32. Our alpha is at a 2.75. As well, the beta is only 0.5, which is half the volatility of the TSX Composite Index. As we scroll down to review the individual holdings of this model, you could see all of the holdings that comprise the model, all blue chip, large cap in nature. And here we also show you the individual gains and losses thus far of those holdings in the model. They range from anywhere from 26% for Kinross and as high as 86% gain for Constellation Software thus far. If you are interested in getting email notifications for this model, simply scroll up, hit the follow button, and you will be emailed whenever we make changes to this model. And there you go. Use this model, which can be incorporated as one sleeve in conjunction with some of our other SIA model sleeves to build a broader, diversified, and robust portfolio for your client accounts. As always, remember to manage your risk in the markets and have a great rest of your day.